Electronic power steering racks are quickly becoming the norm in the industry, even on heavy-duty vehicles like trucks and SUVs. In this episode of Inside the Brands, we'll take a look at an EPS rack for one of the most popular pickup trucks on the road today. Hi, I'm Todd Ciccone, Brand Manager for CRP Automotive. I'm here today to talk about electronic power steering racks, specifically the EPS rack for the 2011 to 2014 Ford F-150. This generation of the F-150 was the first to feature electronic power steering, and by now these racks are no longer covered by the factory warranty. They've also been hard to source, a dealer alternative part for, as this rack uses a very specialized belt to help drive the power assist mechanism. If you've been looking for a high-quality replacement rack, this unit from AAE may be just the thing for you. This is a completely remanufactured rack at a very competitive price, but that might not even be the best reason to give it a try, because in the remanufacturing process, all of which is done right here in the USA, AAE has made some key improvements. The most interesting improvement might be the new belt, which is better and less prone to failure than the OE belt. This rack has been endurance tested and comes with a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty as well. What's more, AAE offers 2 different racks for the F-150 to cover both towing package options. So the next time you need to replace a rack on a 2011 to 2014 F-150, take a look at the AAE solution. If you have a question about this or any other AAE part, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new specialized parts like this one. Thanks for watching.